Lexus has a long history of breaking new ground and challenging the status quo. It has continuously pioneered fresh ideas and new products that have transformed people's perspectives and revolutionized the luxury automobile industry since its inception in 1989. It has consistently redefined what luxury means, not just by developing attractive and fascinating items, but also by rethinking the whole ownership experience. Its track record now includes a new name, the Lexus LBX. The all-new, all-electric LBX is the tiniest Lexus ever, yet it is completely deserving of its reputation as a milestone vehicle, one that breaks down the old luxury hierarchy and will be a game-changer for the brand in Europe. LBX stands for Lexus Breakthrough Crossover, a small SUV that will expand Lexus brand appeal into new market regions. It integrates current design and technology while retaining the unique Lexus attributes of premium workmanship and multimedia hospitality. This is a car that is uncomplicated, easygoing, and comfortable to live with, yet it does not skimp on quality or attention to detail. The spirit of Lexus has been condensed into a smaller packaging, exceeding customers' usual expectations of what a premium compact SUV can deliver. It also treads new ground by appending the usual grading method, giving owners greater choice to express their particular taste and sense of style. In keeping with Lexus' goal to making luxury personal, the LBX will be available in 4 atmospheres in addition to the standard model. Rather from being defined by the degree of equipment or comfort amenity, these environments focus on conveying various refined, energetic, or athletic themes through stylistic elements, colors, textures, and finishes. A new Lexus bespoke build program will provide even more personalized possibilities. The LBX is also a watershed moment for Lexus as a business in Europe. For the first time, Europe has been the worldwide leader in the creation of a new Lexus car. This impact will aid the LBX in becoming one of the brand's best sellers in Europe. The usage of a 3-letter moniker is important. Before, only the LFAE supercar held that distinction. The moniker LBX symbolizes Lexus' dedication to and confidence in its new vehicle. Just as the LFAE revealed a new side of the brand in terms of attitude and performance, the LBX will, in its own way, broaden its reach and prominence. As a fresh addition to Lexus' well-established SUV lineup, it appeals to a younger audience, and those who may not have previously considered a Lexus. It will be an appealing option for individuals looking to downsize or buy a second car to fulfill their new lifestyle needs. The goal was to challenge the conventional concept of a luxury car, and they thoroughly pursued a driving experience that enables a natural dialogue between the driver and their vehicle, as well as a design with a refined presence. With a Resolute Look front design that reinterprets the classic spindle grille, the LBX offers a fresh Lexus identity. While the outward proportions are smaller than any other Lexus, the appearance is strong and powerful. Inside, the focus is on driver involvement, with a concentrated driver's cockpit based on Lexus Tazuna concept in a light, open feel with exceptional visibility, and an instrument panel that wraps around seamlessly into the door panels. Lexus has taken a fresh approach to constructing a model range with the LBX, providing options that better represent how today's buyers want automobiles that match their unique style and character. The LBX will enter production in late 2023. Lexus designers aimed for a simple and polished interior that evoked the feel and mood of a higher segment car. This effect is built on 3 main elements: good visibility with an open lookout and a simple, smooth instrument panel, a sense of spacious interior space, and a dominating center console. The choice of upholsteries and trimmings with strong visual and tactile appeal demonstrates the high quality and attention to detail. A vegan-friendly interior with synthetic leather and materials for the seat cover, steering wheel, shift lever, and door trimmings is available in addition to top-quality semi-aniline leather. The LBX also has new Tazuna charcoal trim inlays, which were manufactured utilizing a unique film method that employs many layers to create a highly textured look with a feeling of depth. Ambient lighting contributes to the multimedia effect of making guests feel welcome and at ease in the car. The lighting design highlights distinct elements of the cabin with a variety of 50 color selections, grouped into themes that generate different emotions. The driver's cockpit is based on Lexus Tazuna concept, which was initially seen on the NX midsize SUV. This places the primary controls and information sources directly around the driver, requiring only little hand or eye motions to operate. This keeps the motorist focused on the job of driving while minimizing distractions. The steering wheel's location and tilt were accurately determined to provide the driver with a satisfying sensation of control. The Tazuna idea is extended here with a new 12.3-inch completely digital instrument display, which is seen for the first time in a Lexus. The arrangement and prominence of the meters and data vary depending on the drive mode selected and can be modified to meet individual needs. A head-up display is also available as an option. Because of the LBX's diminutive size, practically every inch of the vehicle can be viewed from the steering wheel, contributing to the driver's confidence, comfort, and control with the Lexus driving signature. The contouring of the bonnet, as well as the form and location of the front pillars, decrease blind spots and provide a longer downward perspective, allowing the driver to steer more accurately. The horizontal instrument panel features a clean and straightforward design to aid in maintaining a broad, clear perspective. Its shape extends into the door panel on either side, providing the impression of wrapping around the front seat passengers, creating an expansive but enveloping feeling. This design's continuous line also aids the driver in detecting the degree of vehicle roll when going through curves. A low hip point enhances the driver's sensation of oneness with their vehicle, while enough front knee room is given. The back seats are somewhat higher than the front seats to ensure that everyone on board has an excellent view. The central console commands attention, with the enormous multimedia touchscreen slanted back and seamlessly integrated into the construction. The unit contains cushioned side cushions, 2 cup holders, various storage locations, and USB ports for device connection and charging. The cargo compartment has up to 332 liters of capacity, enough space for 2 75-liter containers to be carried behind the folding tonneau cover. The Lexus LBX is the first Lexus vehicle built on a variant of the GAB compact car global architecture platform. It has been significantly modified to satisfy Lexus specifications, resulting in the main benefits of a low center of gravity, broad tracks, minimal overhang, and a very stiff body. It also serves as the foundation for the car's fun-to-drive personality, securing the Lexus driving signature in the smallest packaging ever. This promotes a natural interaction between the driver and the vehicle, ensuring confidence, control, and comfort at all times. To achieve the Lexus sense of being at one with the car, they work to achieve nimble driving that maximizes the benefits of the car's small size and lightweight, while focusing more than ever on honing the fundamental characteristics without relying on electronic controls. Structural adhesives, short pitch welding, and smart bracing and reinforcement placement strengthen the body. At the same time, lightweight components such as an aluminum bonnet and molded resin wheel arches, rockers, and lower door portions have helped to keep the vehicle's weight down. The center pillars and bumper reinforcement are made of strong yet light hot stamped materials. The body is reinforced via structural adhesives, short pitch welding, and selective bracing and reinforcement placement. Simultaneously, vehicle weight has been reduced by the use of lightweight components, such as an aluminum bonnet and molded resin wheel arches, rockers, and lower door portions. The center pillars and bumper reinforcement are made of strong yet light hot stamped materials. Setting the hip point as low as 285 mm makes the driver feel more at one with their car while keeping an outstanding vision from the wheel, especially while driving in city traffic. The front and rear suspension systems are intended for high stiffness and minimal weight, resulting in the LBX's nimble, stable cornering and steering reactions, as well as smooth ride comfort. All variants have a MacPherson strut front suspension. Front-wheel drive vehicles have a torsion beam rear suspension, while the all-wheel drive LBX has a double wishbone setup. Vehicle braking posture control is part of the electronically controlled braking system. This automatically adjusts front and rear braking force distribution to reduce pitching and ensure a consistent, comforting performance. It It also aids in reducing vehicle roll during cornering, making the vehicle comfortable and stable and filtering out vibrations. The LBX will enter production in late 2023. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.